take here like this. But higher countries are there that they have the special instrument are there. Actually the fumes are going inside. We have not take, like you have to concentrate that it should not go in your mouth, like someone is suck very fast, correct here. So I will take this thing in the very carefully here. One mark is that, on that I will add the state, correct here. Means I want precision. Here everywhere precision are there, one drop precision are there. You know, doctor is giving one medicine little bit extra. Okay, then problems are there. I take HCl here. How much ml? Exactly 10 ml. Now I don't know the reaction is when over, so I add what here? Indicator. I add what? Indicator. Add. Reaction is not over. Now we will start very slowly. Reaction here. Correct here. So I will open somewhat knob here. The reaction is started. Here you concentrate. Conical flask. See the color. Color is going to change. It will come pink color. Means reaction is over. Here you concentrate. Correct. See the color. You have to stir very carefully. I am going fast because I have no time. Otherwise, one more drop has a value. Correct? If extra thing is added, reaction is wrong. See, reaction is not over. Done? Reaction is over. Okay? How we come to know? Because this phenolphthalein has pink color in air knowledge. What is the color? Pink color. If I add HCl more, suppose to make you more like curious, I will add more here. But it's the wrong result. You add more, it does not mean that dark color is produced by result is correct. No, you add excess. Got here? You add excess color, your reaction is wrong. Suppose I add HCl again, what? Okay? Thank you so much.